waiting for the hummingbirds to fly by, sitting peacefully in the morning light, asking nothing in return. She's waiting for the hummingbirds to fly by with the most beautiful
Holy
smile.
moly, that was close. Okay. Let me just... This is fun. Maybe not. It's so windy and there's trucks. Being a YouTuber is so much fun. Hopefully you can still hear me through all the wind, but welcome back to the channel. I'm going to wash my car. I have been using this one product from WaterBlast for a fair while now. I am biased in the way that I'm very lazy. What's important to me is that it's quick, I don't have to scrub much. It's just a big car. There's a lot of little tiny bits. It's not like a street car where nice smooth panels and you can do this from one end to the other. It's bumpy, there's things sticking out, there's brackets everywhere. Painfully not enjoyable. This is why I go to car washes, public ones. I like car washes that you can just spray and wash off. That. Also, to preface this, I do not have a, A1 paint job. It's not good. There's so many stone chips. It drastically needs a repaint and a pull apart, but when it's your daily, you can't really do that. So obviously, like the Patriot. Patriot has lovely paint and I'm trying to look after it. On my car, look, I could wash it with some water and it would be fine, but when it gets mud on it, and particularly grease and oil, this is what I use WaterBlast for because it's just so simple. Spray on, hose off. The only thing I've noticed, because they have different types, some are neutral base, like the pH levels. If you have old rubbers, they will cause the rubber to run, but rain does that, so yeah. Rubbers are probably 30 years old. When I use not the neutral one, I notice that the black comes off the rubber. If you've got any sort of ceramic coatings or anything like that, just double check what you can actually use before you put it on. I'll actually run you guys quickly through the products. Got the stuffs. I'm gonna put this down. Yeah. So this is the one I use the most. Snow Foam Plus. This is the alkaline one, so it's not a pH neutral. I have a big bottle of this because I use it a lot. How much to use, if you go on the website, it tells you how much to mix with how much water. But also my pressure washer has setting as well. This is the neutral one. I'm just cleaning off bugs and stuff and it's not like really greasy or really oily or muddy or anything like that. This is the one I use. This is the one I want to try today. Hydrophobic, so it's going to repel water. And then I'm going to try these two as well. Wheel cleaner and a window cleaner. And this is what I use. This is a 3000. I think it has a larger base so it doesn't fall over. I don't know. You guys look it up. You buy the fitting for your pressure washer. Whichever one you have, you go on there and you pick which one you need. And this has an adjustment dial on it as well. You can turn it up or down depending on what mix you want. You can get them if you don't have a pressure washer for your garden hose, but I'm somebody who whenever I go off-road, I wash my car. Purposely not washed it for this video. Normally, I spray it on, leave it 5-10 minutes, and then hose it off. If it's super muddy, I'll do that procedure twice. Let's do that, shall we? As a learner driver. Okay. I also forgot, let me just put my pile down here. This, does anyone watch TikTok? This is bugs, gets the bugs, and I put it in my washer container. I've been using it for years and years and years from Soup Cheap. There's probably better ones, but every time I go to Soup Cheap, I'm like, ooh, 2 for 1, or it's on sale, and then I buy it, and good, okay, it gets the bugs off. Just gone and filled it up. So this is about 950 mils of water, and so that's about 50 mils of this. I recommend you put the water in before you put the cleaner in, because then you fill it up with water, then you just bubbles everywhere. This one's pink, it's nice. Just wing it, or just guesstimate. Feel like a scientist. There's a car coming. Go over here. Right. Pretty much this one's out. This one goes in. So that one is not as foamy as the super foam. Super foam really do be super foam. I'm going to use this one on the Patriot because I do really want to show you guys the one that I use the most. We're going to try it on the Patriot and then I'll use the super foam on the Cruiser. Was that just not recording? Anyway, I've gone like the whole way around the Patriot and this is on flat out mixture and I'm nearly through the bottle, so I'll just sort of go around again. And now I'm gonna wash it up. Maybe. See if I can show you that. Now I'll go refill this with this and I'll be back. So I've refilled this with 900 mils and I'm going to put 100 mils in of the snow foam. I'm going to wait for this truck. Caress my body, you got me going crazy. This is really heavy, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this one hand. Oh, I have two hands. Never mind. Oh no. I'm going to drop this. I'm going to be so sad. Okay, that'll do. Nope, that does not fit there. If I do 2 coats, I'll use 2 bottles. Depends how dirty underneath is. There's all stuff under my bash plate, then yeah. And yeah, if I don't want to use as much, I'll actually just pressure wash the car first. But if you have a garden hose, then that's probably not going to really do much. Okay, now we go put it on the thing. Right, I am going to remove my shirt. Don't make it weird. Oh, I don't have a hair tie. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at it.
Close your eyes with me, start imagining a world full of love. We can change the stars with our hands.
I want to say that I do have a discount code for WaterBlast. Watch this video and you are keen on trying it, you can use this code down here, and if you spend over $90, add a Snow Foam Plus, so the green one of these, to your cart and you'll get it for free. I get a lot of questions about try this, try that. There's a lot of amazing brands in every industry, including the car washing one. I don't just use WaterBlast. I've used a lot of different brands on my car because I have a lot of black trim and stuff. I use things for that. I tried this for a fair while before I even told anyone about it. It is good. I'm not saying other brands aren't good. It's just this is the one I'm using at the moment and I absolutely love it. And if I can get you guys a discount, that's even better. So this is my washer. So I'm just going to wash under the engine bay and then we'll wash it off. I'm just going to say this because someone will copy. Do not pressure wash your engine. Do as I say, not as I do. This is the same car builder's bonnet insulation that I put in a YouTube video 2-3 years ago. Still mint. And this is what I do. Cover it in mud, wash it, and then pressure wash it. And it's still on there, so it's good shit.
The time is always right to open up your eyes and be the flickering flame. We can light the corners, shine through all
Now I'm going to try these two and see how they go. This one looks pretty clean. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna go do the back two. I've never like scrubbed my wheels, so that was the first time, and it wasn't a scrub, it was a soft mitt, and I just sort of like ran my hand around it. You know when there's a layer that's probably been on there for a while that even spraying it directly with high pressure doesn't come off, but you can wipe it off, you know what I mean? So that's all they needed, and now they look amazing. Yeah, this is taking a while because I have to keep running and helping Jay because he's doing stuff on the BMW. Well, no, I don't have to, but that's just why this is taking, that's why it's the afternoon now. I'm just going to do the windows. Done. Oh, looks like I have a polarizer on. No, that's beautiful. That's so nice.
Was never alone, but always felt so lonely. Was surrounded by, but I was so lonely. But when I met you, my heart turned from stone to gold. And when I'm with you, this feeling I can't control. I never wanna lose this feeling. I'd do anything tonight to lose you. Can't do anything, can't do anything. Baby, I'd do anything for you.
All done. Hello, Baba. What are you doing? Okay, so I think we're done. It's a bit exciting. My car's so clean. Like I said, I really don't like having a jetty car. As I said also, old car, nothing fancy going on here. But I do just want to talk to you guys to reiterate, because I know a lot of people get a little bit standoffish when there's sponsored things or anything like that. I just want to explain to you guys that this is not the first, I guess, car washing or anything detailing wise company that has sent me stuff. It's just you don't see the other stuff because I didn't like it. Just there could be any number of reasons. I'm not one to get some stuff sent to me and then do a really bad review on it. I just won't promote it. So the things that you do see on here are things that I have loved and I want to share them with you. Things that I choose to share, I think about, and I think about all the questions you guys are going to ask, and I try and aim it to you guys as best as possible. I just like finding good shit, and I know it's hard to trust a written review online of certain things, so you guys get to see it in action today. It's just car wash, but you know, whatevs. This is just my general Sunday anyway, and now you guys get to save some money too, which is... And now I've got to kind of get ready for work. Ew. Ew. Anyway, my camera's gonna die, so thank you very much for watching, guys. Say hello. Please comment if you like this video. Okay, bye.
You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find we don't ever have to look too far.